Once upon a time, a young apple tree began growing in an orchard. Each night, she would gaze up into the evening sky and admire all the bright and twinkling stars. Oh, how she wished she had just one of those shining stars of her own. One night, an orchard fairy came to the tree with a promise to grant the little tree one wish. Without hesitation, the young apple tree told the fairy of her wish for a star of her own. The fairy promised that if the apple tree was a good tree and grew to be big and strong and full of red ripe apples, her wish would be granted. The apple tree tried her very hardest each sunny day. She lifted her branches up to the warm sunshine, and each rainy day her roots soaked up the water she needed to grow. After several seasons, her hard work had paid off, and she was one of the biggest trees in the orchard with branches heavy with red, ripe apples.